Hi, I'm Mark Anderson. I'm Director of Science for the Eastern North America program of the Nature Conservancy. And I'm here today at Fenway Park in Boston to talk to you about two things you might not normally connect: baseball and nature conservation. In my research, we looked at the number of plants and animals that were present in each state in the East, from Ohio and Virginia all the way up to Nova Scotia and Canada and New Brunswick. And what we found was that the total number of plants and animals present were related to the number of different land types or geological settings. The more different types of geological settings that were present in each state, the more diversity of plants and animals. And we realized that with climate changing, the key to preserving the most diversity we could was to preserve all these different types of physical settings. And we've focused our land protection now thinking about these as stages. It's kind of like what the Red Sox have done to preserve this incredible historic baseball park for almost 100 years. The players on the teams change over time. So we have different Red Sox teams than we had in the 20s or in the 50s. And yet, in order to keep the game thriving, we need a place for all those different players to come and go. And that's what we're trying to do in the Nature Conservancy with our land and water conservation, to provide a stage for plants and animals to move around and have a place to thrive, and to protect the entire diversity of life in the Eastern North America or across the globe.